Hello again, my dear students. Welcome to this special virtual class. I'm Jose David Restrepo Noreña, your art class teacher, and today I will be your guide in this video tutorial. Today we have a really cool crafting activity for all interests, full of creativity, tradition, and folk. Today we will learn how to build a paper modeling sculpture. A really challenging activity for the most curious artists, using what we know about the Indian region. So, are you ready for this class? Okay? So, let's start this I call Object and Culture Legacy Made of Paper. As you know, the Andean region is one of the 6 natural regions of Colombia, a territorial division made from a heterogeneous characteristic in terms of relief, climate, vegetation, and soil classes in the country. 10 departments are part of the Andean region: Antioquia, Boyacá, Caldas, Cundinamarca, Huila, Norte de Santander, Quindío, Risaralda, Santander, and Tolima. For the naive eye, each of these departments has similar geographic, wildlife, and vegetation. But wait, each of these departments have different cultural aspects, history, symbolic meaning, dance, music, flavor, and visual representation. We are talking about a region with 282,414 square kilometers. That's more than all United Kingdom, and that is England, Scotland, Wales, and North Ireland. A huge territory, and that characteristic results in a multicultural region. We can find various indigenous groups with their own Asian culture, tradition village with beautiful landscape and squares, multi-type of dance with traditional constant, folk, art, and more things. Yes, I know, all my students know this information. I hope so. But I say all this for one reason: to introduce the activity. Construction materials. The materials for this activity are carton board. You can use a typical paper carton box. Pencil, masking tape, a new one because we are going to use a lot. One kind of paper for modeling this sculpture could be kitchen paper, newspaper, nothing made of paper. Paint could be acrylic or tempera. Primary colors, white and black, are enough for this activity. Brushes with different numbers. 12 and 6 are perfect, but it's not necessary to be strict with the number. Just try to use the high number for the big space and the low number for the details. A cloth or a rack, I prefer my old rack, and a jar of water for wash your brushes. Step 1. Okay, let's begin. First, you need to draw the silhouette of the object that you select from the local folklore in the carton board. I select a guitar. Try to be specific and don't spend too much time in the details. We are going to draw later the details. Step 2. Now is the time of the paper and the masking tape. With these two materials, we are going to give volume to the sculpture. Fold the paper according to the shape of the object and add it with the masking tape. Step 3. Now apply a good layer of white paint. This makes it easier to apply the final paint. Step 4. At the last, paint your sculpture. Be careful with the brushes. Remember, big ones for the big segment and the tiny ones for the small parts. If the color is not good enough, apply a second layer of paint. Patience is important in this style of project. success in your activity, and good health. And please remember the famous quote of the great artist Pablo Picasso: action is the foundation key of the all success. Have a good day, my friends, and see you later.